The Agentic AI explosion you missed March 13 to April 9, 2026, just 27 days, and AI crossed the point of no return. While we were filming our last report, OpenAI killed Sora, Google dropped Gemma 4, NVIDIA's GTC declared the enterprise agentic era, and the Model Context Protocol hit 97 million monthly SDK downloads. This isn't incremental progress. This is the moment AI stopped advising and started acting. The Model Shakeup, March 16 to April 2, March 16 to 19. NVIDIA GTC 2026 made it official the enterprise agentic era is here. Tens of thousands of developers descended on San Jose as Jensen Huang declared agentic AI has reached an inflection point and is driving a fundamental shift in computing. NVIDIA released the Agent Toolkit, Nemo Claw, their enterprise-grade autonomous agent platform, and announced that every major SaaS platform is now building agent-native capabilities. Then April 2, Google released Gemma 4, its most capable open-weight models to date, built on the same research as Gemini 3, and released under a fully commercial Apache 2 license. 4 sizes from a 2 billion parameter edge model that runs offline on your phone, all the way up to a 31 billion parameter model that outperforms systems 20 times its size on math, coding, and agentic benchmarks. These models are specifically designed for advanced reasoning and agentic workflows. Meanwhile, Anthropic's Model Context Protocol (MCP) donated to the new Linux Foundation, Agentic AI Foundation, in December 2025, crossed 97 million monthly SDK downloads by March 2026. It's now the universal language agents used to talk to tools, data, and each other. ChatGPT, Gemini, Cursor, VS Code, and Microsoft Copilot all support MCP natively. The result? Multi-agent swarms that actually coordinate in production environments, not in DMOS, in production. The Agentic AI Foundation (AIF) is co-founded by Anthropic, Block, and OpenAI, with support from Google, Microsoft, AWS, Cloudflare, and Bloomberg. When every major AI company agrees on a single open standard, that isn't a protocol debate. That's an industry consensus. Welcome to part 1 of our What We Missed series. I'm breaking down every major model shift, the new agentic infrastructure, and what it means for faceless creators who want to 10x their output without getting crushed by the slop purge. Sora's sudden death and video generator realignment, March 24, 2026. OpenAI shuttered Sora, not gradually in a single announcement on a Tuesday afternoon. "We're saying goodbye to Sora," the official account posted on X, no warning. The Disney partnership, which included a planned $1 billion investment, found out less than an hour before the public. The numbers tell the story. Sora was burning approximately $1 million in compute every single day, and over its entire lifetime, it generated only $2.1 million in total revenue from in-app purchases. The math was impossible. The real reason wasn't just the cost. OpenAI needed that compute for Claude Code's direct competition, its coding and enterprise products. Anthropic had been quietly winning the software engineers and enterprises that actually drive revenue. Sam Altman made the call: kill Sora, free up the chips, refocus. Within the week, Kling AI, Runway, and Vidu reported significant user influxes. Google Veo 3.1 and Runway Gen 4 became the new defaults for faceless creators needing cinematic B-roll with native audio and 4K output. The lesson is not subtle. Betting on a single closed model, no matter how impressive the launch, is now high risk. Infrastructure that costs more than it earns cannot survive. What Agentic AI actually does in 2026: agents are no longer DMOS. They are running finance at scale, powering sports operations, programming industrial robots, and yes, building content. Let me give you the numbers that matter. Gartner, 40% of enterprise applications will embed AI agents by end of 2026, up from less than 5% today. Forrester, 171% average ROI on agentic deployments. That's not a typo. Deloitte, Only 11% of agentic projects are in full production. The gap is your opportunity. McKinsey. 89% of organizations are still running on industrial-age operating models. The AAIF is setting open standards so these agent systems can interoperate safely. MCP is the plumbing. Gemma 4 is the engine. NVIDIA's hardware is the factory. And the multi-agent swarm is the workforce. For faceless channels, this means one high-level prompt can spawn an entire research right arrow, script right arrow, B-roll right arrow metadata swarm while you oversee the strategy, verify the facts, and maintain the human editorial layer that makes the difference between content that survives the purge and content that gets deleted. Action Steps 4 Faceless CREATORS 1. Integrate MCP-compatible tools into your workflow today. Cursor, Claude Desktop, or any MCP-enabled platform. This is the standard that won. Not a bet, a consensus. 2. Test one multi-agent swarm on a single video this week. Research plus outline. Learn how to prompt at the orchestration level, not just the individual task level. 3. Never remove the human strategist layer. That is what survives every purge. The platform can generate the content. Only you can make the editorial decisions that build trust over time. Comment Agentic 1 below. That's part 1. Part 2 drops the full YouTube slop war update and what new creator tools actually matter. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in 24 hours. The workforce just went digital.